Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo, and I am with Hannah. Hannah, what are you excited about today?
The new software update that allows Apple CarPlay in the Google-based infotainment systems.
Awesome. What do you need to do to make sure that happens?
So you'll just want to make sure in your settings that your software update in the, show you how I got there, system tab is up to date. We'll check for updates and it will let you know if there is a new version available. And once that is complete, you can take your USB-C cord, plug it into the white outlined port in your middle console area. You'll want to take the other end, plug it into your phone, and it should pop up with an option for Apple CarPlay, where you can see I am a true crime fan. And you can also get to your other apps pretty easily. You can swipe over to get to everything on your phone. It basically mirrors it. And then it does have little shortcuts for your frequently used apps.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Hannah. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.
Thank you from Portland Volvo.